Welcome to Beth's Happy Home. You're probably getting pretty tired of potato salad and coleslaw at every summer picnic that you attend. And I have a salad for you that is not only super nutritious, but it's ideal for a picnic because it isn't perishable. It will last and travel beautifully. And it uses as a basis, instead of pasta, instead of potatoes, it uses quinoa. Now quinoa is a very mild flavored type of a grain. It's sort of like a grain. It's actually a seed, and some people make a distinction, and I don't really know what it is. This is 2 cups of golden and red quinoa mixed, and I cooked them in the pressure cooker for just like I would white rice. And in fact, I use the exact same proportions. You cook the quinoa, 2 cups of quinoa to 4 cups of water, and a teaspoon of salt, and it's perfect for the salad. And it absorbs all the water, so you don't need to drain it. And so this salad goes together super simply. To the quinoa that has been cooled, you add 1 large red pepper that's been chopped to a medium chop, 1 large sweet onion, like a Walla Walla, that has been chopped fairly finely. It looks like it's coarser than it is because I haven't really broken it up. 1 can of black olives. These are just medium black olives, and I cut them in half. And just dump those in there. This is 1 can of artichoke hearts. So I cut them up into bits because they come in about, 1 can has about 6 artichoke hearts in it, and so you want it to be cut up. That makes it kind of extra special and tasty. And this is about 4 ounces of steamed broccoli. And then this is a total of about 5 ounces of chopped cheese. This is mozzarella, this is sharp cheddar. So these just all go into the bowl, and then I don't even bother to mix the dressing. I just sprinkle it with a generous sprinkling of garlic powder and give it a generous dose. I would say probably 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, or any oil that you prefer. And then this is kind of the secret ingredient. You use more apple cider vinegar than you would think you would want, but start with about 1/2 cup, and you may go up and then stir it all up and then see if you need more. But because I haven't mixed the garlic salt in there, I'm going to kind of pour this around like that and then start stirring. And you can see it's a very colorful, inviting salad. And I recently served this at our family reunion. We had 12 adults and 20 children, and the youngest children didn't really try it, but most everyone that was there really enjoyed this salad. And some even commented, it's so nice to have something different than potato salad. And I agree, it is fun. With another 1/4 cup, because obviously this is a big salad. This is probably at least 20 servings, 20 generous servings. If you want to make it a meal, throw in some cold barbecued chicken, grilled chicken, or some chunks of beef, or whatever meat you have on hand, and then serve it as a meal on a hot summer night. But it is just the tastiest salad. We're going to, my taste is 3/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and probably 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Make this salad to take to your next picnic or to serve to your family. You're going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.